Hello, good evening, everyone. So, and happy Holi to all of you. So, we'll be beginning in a minute, in a 5 minute. Okay, so give me some time to share my screen. So, today is our week 8 of our class. Okay, so unlike every week, so this week we'll also be trying to solve some questions. So, yeah, so this is our week 8. So this is the first one. Okay, so you can try it by yourself, and then I will share the insight with. So I hope you all have seen the videos of Professor Paranjal for Week 8. So where you have seen that there is some meaning related facts. We have seen the lexical semantics, and that lexical semantics is concerned with the systematic meaning related to the connections among lexical items and the internal meaning related structure of individual lexical items. So where we have also seen that what are the relations between the word meanings. So we have seen that homonyms and polysyny, synonymy and antonymy and hypernymy and hyponymy and meronymy. So here our question is about the question is on the mm, uh, on the you have to you have given two sentences where after a hectic day she found peace in finishing the last. So here you have a piece and here you have a piece, so and a piece of her puzzle. And the second sentence is he used a bat to hit the ball out of the park. Then later that evening he saw a bat flying in the night in the sky. So first bat is the cricket bat and uh, second bat is a bat, basically a bird or animal. So here you have to find out the lexical relation between the highlighted one in these two sentences. Okay. So you can write the answer in the chat box so that I can get your feedback also. Okay. So one answer is given that D. Let's see. So what is the correct answer? Okay. Mhm. Yeah. So so you have given that uh, yeah. Why you think that D is the correct answer? That first to see that we have to know uh, what is the meaning of homograph and synonyms. Okay, first come to homonymy. So here homonymy is defined as a relation that holds between words that have the same form of unrelated meanings, like bat or bat. Okay, bat or bat. Okay, so homonymy is defined as a relation that holds between words that have the same form with unrelated meanings. Okay, like bank. Bank means financial institution versus bank means riverside also. Okay, so so that's why. So second one is confirmed that bad and bad is homonym. Okay, so here we have homonym and between C and D, I have the answer that from C and D we will have the correct answer. Please keep talking. Now I have to see what does it means by piece and piece. For that, I have to know what is synonym and what is homophones. Okay. So now homophones are the so we have two things. From homonym, we have two things that's homophone and homograph. Fine. So what is a homophone and what is a homograph? So homophones are the words with the same pronunciation but different spelling. Okay. That means same pronunciation but different spelling, like right and right. Okay, like peace, and peace, which we have. And homographs means homographs are the lexemes with the same orthographic form but different meaning, like bus. Fine. So it has many application in NLP basically. Okay. So we have got our first answer that so D is absolutely correct. Like that is we have first one is peace and peace is homophones and this is homonymy. Okay. Now come to the second question. Okay. So this is the second one. So please try to solve by yourself for some time. Then we will come to the answer. Okay. Okay. So the second question is okay. So you have answered that. Consider the following sentences. Now, which of the following is are false? So fruit is hypernym of mango. Animal is hyponym of cat. Homographs are homographs are the words with the same pronunciation but a different spelling. And bank means financial organization versus bank means riverside is an example of homonym. Okay, let's see. So fine. Yeah. So we have already seen that what is homonymy. Then what is homophone? Then what is homograph? What is missing is that we have not seen the this one like multiple related mean polysyny or uh, hypernym. What does it mean by that? Okay. So now as you can see that hyponymy and hypernymy. Okay. Now car and vehicle. Car is a hyponym of vehicle. Like dog is a hyponym of animal. Like mango is a hyponym of fruit. Now, as refers, vehicle is a hypernym or superordinate of car. Okay? Like animal is a hypernym and superordinate of right, dog or cat, whatever we say. Okay, so these are the context we had in this session: hypernym, hyponym, homographs, and homograph from here. Bus you can see, and like this. So which two are correct, I think? So the correct answer is B and C. Okay, so B and C. So these two are the correct. Okay. Okay. Now come to the third one. So please try once and write your answer in the chat box. Okay, so you have given the answer A. So which of the following is are true? Okay, let's see. So synonym is a binary relation. Fine. Uh, based algorithm are based on whether words are nearby in word. Syncset is a set of antonyms representing sense. Troponym is from a verb to a specific manner elaboration of that verb. Okay. So from this, so which one you think is the correct one? So from here, 1, 2, and 4 are the correct answer. Okay. So if you see that, yeah. So if you go to lecture 3, yeah. So in lecture 3, you can see that synonym. So here in lecture 3, we have seen the word sense disambiguation. Okay. So where we have seen that many word has several meaning or senses. Like bass means the guitar player, like bass of a guitar, and also we have seen that disambiguation is the task of disambiguation is to determine which of the sense of an ambiguous word is invoked in a particular use of that word. Okay, so this is done by looking at the context of the word's use. So we have seen already the example of bat and bat, where we have in one context bat was used as a cricket bat, and another context bat was used as a bird or animal. Okay, so so the context is important in both the scenarios. So to find out the context and all, so we have three approaches. One is knowledge based approach, one is machine learning based approach, and one is hybrid approaches. So in knowledge-based approaches, we have overlap-based approach, and in ML algorithms, we have supervised, and semi-supervised, and unsupervised. In knowledge-based approaches, we have seen that while it requires a machine-readable dictionary, which is called MRD, in this machine-readable dictionary, we find the overlap between the features of different senses of an ambiguous word, or or called sense bag, and the features of the words in its context called context bag. The features could be sense definition, example like example sentences or hyperlinks, etc. And feature could also be given weights. So like for some sense, for a particular case, for a particular word, some sense we use most in most of the cases we use a sense at 90% of the cases. So we can give a weight to that feature. Okay, for sense back and context back, we have seen the Lex algorithm. Okay, so and we have also seen the and this Lex algorithm is in Lex algorithm we have seen that where we have a sense back and the context back, and Walker's algorithm is a treasurous based approach where we and we also have seen that WSD using random walk algorithm. Okay, and from the machine learning part, we have seen the net bias classifier kind of approaches. So the correct answer will be one, where synonym is a binary relation. Two, treasure space algorithm are based on whether words are nearby in the word A. And four, the triponym is from a verb to a specific manner elaboration of that verb. Okay, the correct answer is one, two, and four. Okay? ABB. Okay, now please try to answer this one. Please take some time to. So this for this we have three questions, 4 and 6 also. So you need to some time to solve this. So for in the first one, we have to find link similarity, and for second one, we have to find the ethnic similarity, and for the third one, we have to find the link of photo similarity or LC similarity between house and design. Okay, so please take some time and try to solve this one. Okay, so yeah, so what you have to find first? So you have to find the you have to find the two into information coefficient of LCA of C1 and C2, and then information coefficient of C1 plus information coefficient of C2. Okay. Now we have given two into information coefficient of we have given information coefficient of artifact by information coefficient of house. And so why artifact? Because this is the least common parent. So between house and decoration, so artifact is the common parent, not object. Okay, so that's why we have taken artifact here plus IC of decoration. Right. So from here 2 into 4.7 by 11.09 plus 7.64. You can find out the answer. So what is the first was that I guess yeah. So now I have to find the reciproc similarity. So what is the reciproc similarity? Similarity reciproc C1 C2 is equal to information coefficient of LCA C1 C2, which is nothing but minus log probability of LCA C1 C2. Okay, fine. So minus log P LCS2. Yeah. So what is restrictive similarity? So now I have to find the restrictive similarity between building and door. Okay. So restrictive similarity, the intuition behind it is that how similar two words are depends on how much they have in common. Okay. It measures the commonality by the information content of the lowest common subsummer. So here, if I want to find this, so I have to find out the IC of LCS one and which is got nothing but LCS of uh, building door, like this LC of structure, like this structure is the between building and door, the structure is the common parent. So that's why IC of 8.30. Okay. So it basically measures the commonality by the information content of the lowest common subsummer. Now I have to find out the LC similarity. So how I can find out the LC similarity? So LC similarity is yeah. So between house and design, house and design. So how can I find the LC similarity? So the equation is LC similarity is equal to minus log path length of C1 C2 by 2D is equal to minus log 4 by 2 into 5, which is 0.398. So where D is the depth of the hierarchy. So here D is the depth of the hierarchy. Okay. So what is the part now? So here it will come 5 because because between house and design I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it will come 5. 5 by 2 into 5. Okay. So D is the maximum depth. Maximum, what is the maximum depth? Maximum depth is 1, 2, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 is the maximum depth. So that's why 2 into 5. So which is nothing but, so you can find out the answer here. So uh, here it will be 5. Okay. So if you do 5, so if you do it, you will get the answer. Fine. Then the next question is this one. Let's try to solve this one first. Okay. So Okay, so in this question, we have to find out that uh, 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 consider the network of words for distribution of the word light as shown in figure 3. The hubs are colors and lengths. So these are the hubs. Take the distance between two words as the path length between them, which is beams and features. So you have to find out the path length, compute the score of the hub colors and the component white and the hub colors and the component fixtures. Okay, so I have to find out the colors and fixtures. So what is colors and fixtures? Yeah, white. Yeah. Okay, so I have to find out the score for the hub colors and the component white. Okay, so for color, I have to, so these are the hub colors and lamps, and the green, white, and fixtures are the component. Okay, so I have to find out the score for it. Okay, so how can I find this out? So to solve this, you can see it here. To solve this, yeah. So the formula for this is SK and SI, which is 1 by 1 plus distance of HK, comma WJ. Okay, if HK is an ancestor of WJ. Fine. Are you getting it? Okay. And so we have and SI is equal to 0 otherwise. Okay. So first answer. So the correct solution is the D, none of the above, because first one is 1 by 1 plus 1 because it is only one half. The distance is only one half. So that's why this is a distance 1 plus 1, that is 0.5, and 0 as color is not an ancestor of pixel. So colors and pixels. So colors, pixels here and colors here. So in the condition, it is written that if HK is an ancestor of HL. So the ancestor is, the correct answer is D, which is none of the above. Okay. Now this is the last one. This is the last question for today's class. So which says that the which of the following is are false. Okay. So hypoting is also called superordinate. Hypernym is also called subordinate. Snore or sleep is an example of entail. Mill or lunch is an example of hyponym. Okay, which one is the correct answer? So you can take a second to answer this. I have already told you what is hyponym, what is hypernym, and what is entails and hyponym. Okay, so you should answer this. So the correct answer is 1 and 2. So where 1 and 2, hyponym is also called superordinate. In previous question, I have told you that. And here hypernym is also called subordinate. Okay, subordinate and superordinate. Fine. Where hyponym was like car, vehicle, and it was vehicle, car. Okay, so these are okay. So thank you everyone for joining. So this was all for today's class. So maybe we'll meet in next Friday. So fine, fine. Thank you everyone for joining. Yeah.